Good morning, Keller Williams Raleigh. This is Robert Joins, your Market Center Tech Trainer with your Tech Tip of the Week. And this week, we're going to talk about paying your dues. That's right, folks. It's the time of the year that we all dread as realtors, actually paying our RRAR dues and our TMLS dues. So first and foremost, I'm going to direct y'all, if you haven't done this before, for those of you that have done this before, go ahead and do it now so that you keep the office and yourself from getting in trouble. Everybody needs to go to the RRAR.com, and once on the website, navigate over to My Portal Login, and with the RRAR, they are going to need your NRDS number. As you can see here, my computer has auto-populated with my TMLS number, which is not helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my NRDS number, and your password in this case should be your last name. Once you're logged in, over this area of your screen, you will have an option to go ahead and pay for your bill. Do so. You'll notice that mine is not showing an option for me to pay because I've already paid my dues, as should you. Now let's go ahead and pay for first quarter dues for TMLS. I'm going to direct you to go over to trianglemls.com, and once here, similarly to the RRAR, we're going to choose My Portal Login, and this time you will use your TMLS credentials. Let's go ahead and do that. Similarly to the RRAR, in this section here, there will be an option to pay your dues. Go ahead and make sure to do this to keep yourself and our office in compliance. If you have any questions or you need any help, please don't hesitate. As always, I am Robert Joins, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh and Wake Forest. I hope y'all have a very productive day, a happy holiday, and a great week. See y'all soon.